Ka Sorkar Meghalaya ne kasing thok ding kalapan benar ba ka iasoi ka Memorandum of Understanding MoU ka bapura bat ka Assam halor ka kam khaput kan long ha Shwa ka khat santrik Nailar ha ka ba santli ki shnong ha ka than ribhoi kin sa wanphai sha Meghalaya. Habakren Syllad patai khubor unong aiktin ke sorkar MDA bat menteri sorkar ubak pol lingdo ulapan kesan ru halor kisin jam balashim ta ke sorkar na kebentaban penbet yaki kam ya kaja put bat ke Assam da ke baong ngilap hak ru ya ke kenuhun ki pulit bat ki magistrate ban yalek persyak yaki bliu na Assam. Ya kini ulapan pau halor ki jingkenok ban na ke liang ke sorkar kam syam lale ne kalale tang khendiat ha ka bayadei berki kam wan kentur put jong ka Assam ha ka shnong lapangap ha West Giant Hills district. Menteri upen benaru baka iasoi ya ka MoU bapura bat ka sorkar Assam kan long ha Shwa ka khat santrik Nailar ha ka ba on yo iru ya ki santli ki shnong ki bathmai ki ban wanphai ha po uput usam ka Meghalaya. Ha ka bayadei ber ka jing ha ka than langpi ubak pol ulaong baka jinya keren ya penbet kala jandep artan ulaong bomenta ki don kamban penlong ya ke jing leja jurip lang bat ba udang ap ya ke jing pentikna na u pato wari ubakli ya ke regional committee halor ka langpi sector na ka liang ka Assam nalor kata ubak pol ula kedoru ba ka jing penbet ha ka bayde ber ke Giant Hills sector ru kadang ya syakmat bat shenkin sala ban shim ya ka rai ka bakadu. Hakajuk kapor ula banjur bana yang ke sorkar kala shimkia ban penyat syakmat yaki kam ya penbet put bat omkum hakipor ki baladep ha ke balawan kentur sya uput usam ke Meghalaya klem kanu ke jinya aireng.
Had the government been indifferent, we would not have sent a police team, we would not have sent a magistrate to actually confront their counterparts from Assam. So it's unfair to say that government has done little. In fact, I will remind you that before August 15, we will formally sign an MoU with the Assam government, whereby 5 new villages will come back to be part of. See, out of the 12 areas of differences, now 5 have been resolved. Langpi, we're close to actually finding the final solution. It's just the joint inspection that needs to be undertaken once. And Giant Hills, we are fairly close to clinching final solution. So we are moving far ahead compared to the many years where Meghalaya's territories have only been encroached without any resistance. Langpi, there is just a site inspection that needs to be undertaken. I'm yet to get the final confirmation from my counterpart, the chairman, Mr. Patuwari, who heads the Langpi sector committee for Assam. Once I get a word from him, we will undertake a joint inspection and visit to Langpi.